So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding the upcoming Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing extreme topics, like there are very less changes but all of the changes are very good. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me discuss regarding the display of this smartphone. So guys, the display is going to be an interesting factor of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, because Redmi Note 8 Pro has a great processor, great camera mechanism, and overall it is a great smartphone. But the only thing where the Redmi Note 8 Pro really lags, and that is the display. Okay, Redmi is opting for the LCD IPS display, which is not at all a good one, comparing to the latest standards. Okay, in the latest current smartphones you will find Amoled displays in every budget smartphone. So guys, with the Redmi Note 9 Pro, you're going to be getting a Super AMOLED display. Yes guys, a Super AMOLED display of 1080p resolution. So overall I would say it is good, but the thing that is way more exciting, and that is the camera. Well, the front camera of this smartphone is not going to be a pop-up mechanism, but it is going to be a centric hole punch. Okay, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, the camera is going to be in the exact center of the display, and which is expected to be of 32 megapixels. And now let me come to the rear camera setup. Well, at the back it is expected that there are going to be 4 cameras, from which the main camera is going to be of 64 megapixels, followed by the other cameras. So now you will say, like the Xiaomi's Mi Note 10 has the 108 megapixel camera, then why not Xiaomi is implementing it? Well guys, this camera setup is for the more expensive variant, and they really want to make it a budget friendly smartphone. So this is a cost cutting factor, but still you're getting a 64 megapixel main sensor. So guys, overall I think this is a great smartphone. So guys, now let me come to the processor of this smartphone. So guys, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is again good in the gaming department, and it was earlier expected that with the Redmi Note 9 Pro you're going to be getting the Snapdragon 730G. Okay, it was expected like this, but according to the recent reports it has been confirmed that with the Xiaomi's upcoming Redmi Note 9 Pro there is going to be Snapdragon 735. So guys, overall all of the specifications are very good. Again, you will say for the price tag of under 20,000 rupees, this is a great smartphone, because you're getting a 64 megapixel main camera followed by 3 other cameras. The front camera is of 32 megapixels. You're getting a Super AMOLED display, and with addition to a 4500 milliamp hour battery. Yes guys, the battery capacity is expected to be of 4500 milliamp hours. And overall, now let me come to the conclusion. Again, all of the specifications we are not confirmed yet, but these are from the reputed sources. So guys, now the question that comes is, what about the pricing? Okay, you're getting great specifications and overall this smartphone is very good. So now let me come to the pricing, and well, the pricing of this smartphone is expected to start at the price tag of 14,999 rupees. Okay, for the price tag of 15,000 Indian rupees, this smartphone is going to be starting. And the obvious question which you have, and that is, when is this smartphone coming? So guys, this smartphone will come in the second week of February. Yes guys, next month in the second week of February this smartphone is going to be coming. And overall this is everything which I wanted to cover. So guys, now the question that comes is, should you wait for this device? So overall let me tell you that you will easily plan to go for the Redmi Note 8 Pro, because it has great camera and overall all of the specifications are great. But I will tell you one thing, that with that smartphone you're getting an IPS display, and with this smartphone you're getting a Super AMOLED display, and even the price tag is expected to be the same. So overall I would say that wait for 1 month and let's see what this smartphone has in store for us. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.